Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Check out my website and download your free hard inquiry removal package. We have other removal packages for all your negative items. If you have questions, reach me at my website and they go directly to my cell phone. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description of this video. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can apply with a soft pull pre-approval with Lenovo credit card, and they will give you a pre-approved credit limit. So if you are new to my channel, I bring you information on how to improve your credit. I'm not credit repair, I'm credit education. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So with this content, I can help you wherever you are in your credit journey to improve your credit. So give this video a thumbs up for me. Now, Lenovo is a computer company, so they have a lot of technology like smart devices, phones. I have their PC, and they also have tablets and laptops. So with this company, what they do offer is a credit card and financing. Now with Lenovo, their financing for their credit card generally is going to go through Synchrony Bank. And if you know anything about Synchrony, they're very easy to qualify for if you have a troubled kind of credit score. So if you have a lower credit score, it is possible for you to get pre-approved or even get approved for this credit card. Now, if you've been following my channel, I tell you guys the key to increase your credit score if you're under a 700 score is to add unsecured lines of credit, i.e. credit cards. Okay, by adding new credit card accounts, when your score is under a 700 credit score, you can see a 50 point on average increasing your credit score. Now, when you're using this technique, you guys, you only want to add one account at a time, and then you want to apply for another account, because with that, once you get that new card to report, once it reports, your score is going to go up by 50 points, and it could put you in the category of actually qualifying for another credit card that may be in a higher tier. So you want to make sure you wait to that card report before you apply for another card. Now with Synchrony Bank, you can get qualified many a times with them, even with a credit score as low as 600 credit score. But for this to be safe, I say 640 and up with your TransUnion score. But you can, because it's a soft pull pre-approval, go and see if you pre-qualify for this card. Now, what happens with a pre-qualification, it does not guarantee that you're going to get that credit card, but what it's going to do is let you know if you fit in the credit profile that the company is looking for. But keep in mind, even if they pre-qualify you, it does not guarantee you're going to be approved. It's just letting you know you fit into the category and you can possibly apply, and you have better odds on being approved. But soon as you apply, it does turn to a hard inquiry. Now, doing the soft pull pre-approvals, what I teach you guys, it helps you minimize getting hard inquiries, just aimlessly trying to find credit. So this is a good strategy to employ for you to get pre-qualified. And with this card, you know what you qualify for before you apply. Now, even with that pre-qualified amount for that card, is no guarantee that you're going to get it. But what you can do, especially if you're trying to build credit, you can apply for this account if you get pre-approved and add another line of credit to help improve your score. Now, keep in mind, you guys, when you go through this process, you're going to hit pre-qualify, and they're going to ask you, what side are you financing, consumer, or are you on the business financing side? And what you're going to do is hit consumer. Most likely you guys are consumers, and hit next. And they're going to have you to verify some of your information when you go in this account. So they're going to want you to fill in your information here and put in your last 4 digits and your mobile number. And then you're going to have to hit continue. Now, when you go through this process, they're going to send you a text to your phone with a link, and you have to verify your number. And then once you hit that link, it'll let you know that you can go back to this page and then continue on with the process. Now, when you come back to this page and continue on, they're going to ask you to verify your address. So you'll look at the information that is there that they submit before you go through with the pre-qualification. So you can take that step to do so. And what they're going to do is show you your pre-approved amount. Now, let me show you what that would look like. Now, once you finish the process, this will be the prompt that you will receive. Great news, you're pre-qualified, and it'll tell you your pre-qualified credit limit. Now, you would have to process the application in order to get this card, and it will result in a hard inquiry pull. This is not guaranteed, but one thing it does help for you guys that's trying to build credit, that you know your pre-qualified credit limit. Now, if you guys have any questions and personal questions, make sure you hit me up at my website. The link is in the description of this video. Also, the link to this application will be in the description of the video also. Now, if you have general questions, just leave the comments in the comment section. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.